Is it better to get engineering or business degree? What degree should you get if you want to be wealthy? Engineering or business? Choosing a right degree is a crucial step in creating a wealthier future. Many students are faced with the dilemma of what to study in university. There are many options available: engineering, medicine, business, communication, psychology, and etc. However, if you are looking to make good money, you will usually end up choosing between a business and engineering degree. Both of them offer a wealthy lifestyle for bright individuals. But how do you choose between those two? First of all, you should take a good look at your personality and decide whether you are better at working with people or numbers. Business will usually be more suitable for people who are more social and like to work constantly with other people. Engineering, on the other hand, will require you to work alone on smaller teams most of the time. You also need to take a good look at your core interests. Are you more interested in creating and inventing things or selling them? If the last interests you, stick with the business. There is always some kind of conflict going on between business and engineering students. This usually happens because of jealousy, because there are unique benefits for choosing any of those two degrees. Business degree is easier, and students studying it have more free time to socialize, and they usually have a more balanced lifestyle. Engineering students, on the other hand, have to carry a much heavier course load, and they don't have that much time to party or meet new people. That's why most engineers are single while in school. It's the main reason why engineers are jealous of business students. Engineers also in most cases have lower GPA than the business students. Average GPA for business students is around 3.5. For engineers, about 2.8 to 3. Fortunately, when it comes to salary, engineering students make much more right after the graduation than business students do. Usually, starting salary for business students in Alberta is around $48,000, and for engineers, around $65,000. That's why business students are jealous of engineering students, because they cannot understand how come someone with 2.8 GPA can get such salary right after university. However, it all comes to supply and demand. There are not enough engineers, and that's why companies are willing to pay such salaries. On the other hand, business students usually end up getting higher salary at the end of their career, once they get into the more executive positions. As I said before, just stick with whatever you're good at and you'll be much happier and better off financially. Maybe not right after graduation, but definitely after you get some experience and credibility.